In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Calendar for a group. Whether you're coordinating schedules for a team project or organizing family events, creating a shared calendar can make the process seamless and collaborative. The good news is setting one up in Google Calendar is straightforward. Let's dive right into it. To start off, head over to your web browser and search for Google Calendar. You'll want to click on the first result that appears. This should direct you straight to the Google Calendar page. Once there, you'll need to log in, enter your email address, and hit the next button. Now type in your password and click next again. If you're already logged into your Google account, you'll be taken straight to your calendar. Navigating this way ensures you have access to all the features and settings necessary to create and manage your group calendar. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You're looking for a plus sign next to the Other Calendars section. Click on it. This will bring up a menu where you'll select Create New Calendar. Now it's time to name your calendar. This could be something as simple as team meetings, family events, or whatever best describes your group's focus. After entering the name, click on Create Calendar. You've now successfully set up the base for your group calendar. At this point, a confirmation message lets you know that your new calendar has been created. To ensure all your group members have access, you need to adjust the calendar's sharing settings. Look for an arrow on the upper left corner of your screen. Click it. This will take you back to your list of calendars. Find your newly created calendar and click on the three dots next to its name. Once the menu appears, select Settings and Sharing. This crucial step allows you to add people and groups, giving them access to your calendar. Look for the option labeled Add People and Groups. Click on it, and a dialog box will appear where you can type in the email addresses of the individuals you'd like to share the calendar with. When adding contacts, consider what access level they should have. You'll want to click on Permissions to set the appropriate level for each person. You might allow them only to see events, or grant them permission to make changes. Choose a setting that best suits your group's needs. Finally, after selecting the permissions, click on Send. This action will send invitations to the designated email addresses, allowing your group members to join the calendar. And there you have it. You've not only created a Google Calendar for your group, but also successfully shared it with all necessary participants. This shared calendar will now serve as a central hub for organizing your group events and activities, ensuring everyone stays in the loop and on the same page. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing!